What's up guys, this is Sohan and you are watching Technical Spark. In this video I am going to demonstrate the difference between server task log and audit log. Many of you guys are getting confused when somebody asks question on the server task log or audit log. So don't worry guys, in this video I am going to cover these both topics. So guys, let me show you how these things works practically in the ePO console. But before that, one small intro video. Let's open the McAfee ePO console. In ePO console, log in with your username and password. In ePO console, you can see there is an option which is server task log and second is audit log. So very first we are going to demonstrate audit log. So let's click on that. Audit log option is available under the reporting. So let me click on the audit log. As you can see, in audit log you will get the history of your activity. So guys, in audit log, whenever user log into the ePO console, he definitely doing something like modifying, changing or creating any policy, those kind of changes. Okay, so all those changes will be recorded under the audit log. So here you can trace all the changes done by that particular user. All user history will be available here along with the username, priority, action, details. In details it will show all the detailed information as well as whether he succeed or fail and at what time that particular activity is performed along with the completion timing. So these things can be monitored using audit log. Now let's go to the server task log. Server task is available under the automation. As this is name itself describes everything. So in server task, what exactly it shows here? So whatever the task performed by any of the user or any scheduled task, so those task details will be available here, whether that particular task is successful or not. For an example, here is my one of the tasks which is LDAP sync across users from LDAP server. So this task is successfully completed. What this task does is this task synchronize the AD users with our McAfee users. Update master repository. So what this task does is it's update our McAfee ePO server with the latest definition and patches. So let's open that and here is the history. If I go to click on this master pull repository, it will show more information like this. What are the things this server check to download under the for the task which is master update repository. So guys, this is the major difference between server task log and audit log. In server task log, you will see all the scheduled tasks, which is whether it is automated or ran by any user. And in audit log, you will see the activity which is performed by any user. So that's it in this video. Guys, I hope you have found this video useful. If so, please click on the like button and don't forget to share and subscribe. And if you want me to create any video on any specific topic, then please let me know in the comment box below. I'll definitely create video on that particular topic. And friends, very important, don't forget to click on the bell icon so that whenever I upload new video, you will be notified. So this is Sohan signing out. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.